Okay, so thank you for your time and our time together watching the video. So I saw here in our Zoom meeting, I think there's no new person here. Okay. How about Java, Ban Java? He is new.
I am new here
Okay. So Gerald Ripon Das.
Yes, sir.
Where are you from, sir?
From Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Okay. So since we have new here, new partner, so I need to explain a little bit. You're welcome, sir, here in our Zoom meeting. Gerald. Okay, so from Bangladesh.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so since we have a newcomer here in our Zoom meeting, although I don't have PPT. So if you watch already about our company introduction, because my topic is about company, the profile, the introduction of our company. So we know that Atomy. So what is Atomy? So I have three questions here. What is Atomy? Why choose Atomy? And how to join and earn to Atomy? So first, what is Atomy? So according to our video, if you start watching that, and I know you're familiar, aside from Gerald from Bangladesh, maybe his first time listening our Zoom meeting. So our company is a global online platform. So this company is recognized as one of the top number one MLM around the world. Okay, so our CEO Hangul Park, according to the video, and many of us already know Hangul Park, one of the most respected person in business in Korea, not just in Korea but around the world. Okay, CEO Hangul Park upholds the principle of consumers satisfaction and consumers success. So the quality of our products in Atsumi are focusing on the consumers satisfaction and consumer success. Why we become successful here? Because once we join the Atomy business, we become successful through earning here in Atomy. So as we learn and as we know that this is a global online shopping mall. So in Korea, we have like Kopang, and international, we have eBay, Amazon, and many others. But we have our own online shopping platform, right? And that is Atomy, global online platform. So it's very easy to join. And around the world, we have more or less 16 million members. And many of our members are become successful from being sales master. Because if we talk about the sales mastership, we started from sales master, diamond master, Sharon Rose master, so on and so forth. So all of that up to the imperial master, I think we have our new imperial master, the 18th imperial master, to be recognized, right? And we know that here in Atomy, we become successful if we continue to use the products and love Atomy, right? Of course, it's very important. So, and we have 27 regions around the world, and more than 50 countries now are open in Europe, America, Asia, of course, and different countries of the world. So I know you're familiar with Atomy, those already long time here in our Zoom and doing the business, right? So maybe after my short speech or lecture, I will ask maybe 2 to 3 person to share something about Atomy. So, like, what do you like about Atomy that you're really proud of? Okay, later I will ask somebody here in our Zoom meeting. So, Atomy is a company established with integrity. So those who are already started Atomy business, yes, I know you are already earning here in Atomy, although maybe some of you are not yet earning a big amount, but just started like me. So a while ago, I talked to my partners. They want to grow also their business here in Philippines. And lately, just question it what is Atomy. So always remember that Atomy is a global online platform. It's very easy to do the business, right? Keep on learning Atomy. And why choose Atomy? So why not we choose others? Of course, Atomy has an opportunity to become successful. So what does it mean? That while we are using the products, I know you love the products. Those who are already, you call yourself Atomians, you all love the products. So as I've said many times here in our home, so we use a lot of product. Most of the products that we are using every day, from toothbrush, shampoo, and our daily necessities are all Atomy. And also some supplement, vitamins like omega-3, like calcium, all of those are Atomy. Even those who are new products here in Atomy, like Noni, so we have tried all those because we love the products. So why choose Atomy? Because it's easy to do the business. If you have your handphone, if you have your cell phone, you can do the business. You can connect different people around the world by using your Atomy business, your ID, because once you are a member, you're in Atomy, just only one ID, and then you can access around the world. So if you're a member already, you experience that. Okay, and I hope you grow your business and keep on doing that. So the third question that I'm going to share is how to join and how to earn in Atomy. It's very easy to join because it has no registration fee. We are not required to invest any amount of money once we decided to join. It's free. Okay, so that's very easy. And then how to earn Atomy, keep on using the products and earn PB. Of course, you have to build your group from your left and right. So building your consumers. So we will discuss more on that on our marketing plan, compensation plan. But since my topic tonight is about Atomy introduction or company profile, so I'm just sharing to you the good thing here in Atomy. So because you know what, I failed 3 times here in Philippines in MLM. So I lost money. We invested a lot 3 times and now it doesn't work. And then when I decided to join Atomy, so I really like Atomy because it's a good company. It is not a scam. Okay. So remember that our company was built with integrity and our CEO Hangel Park is one of the most respected businessmen and doing multi-level marketing, not just in Korea, but around the world. Okay, so you are in the good company. Keep on doing the business. Maybe you find it hard. So do the business with your team because if you want to earn, you have to grow your team. So that's very important and it's a good thing to do the business. Okay, so as I've said, this is just a short overview because it's about our company introduction. So if you want to learn more about Atomy, so we will next time we will study about the products. So some of our lecturer maybe next time talking about the products. Then some other time the schedule because every Thursday we have different topics. So maybe next time talking about the introduction. Oh, sorry, talking about the compensation, how to earn. So because through earning, so we will grow our, of course, our income. We call that passive income, and it's possible because there are lots of people in Atomy. Among 16 million people, So there are lots of people are now successful from sales master going to the imperial master. As I've said, we have now the 18th imperial master to be recognized. Okay, so meaning, so there are lots of people are being successful in Atomy. Okay, so as I've said, can I ask somebody to share because I know you have a lot of also of knowledge about Atomy, and I want to know also those who are doing the business. The question is, what do you like about Atomy that you really proud of? Okay, so can I ask D to share with us uh, about what do you like about Atomy and that you're really proud of? I know you are proud about Atomy because me myself, I really proud that I become an Atomians. Okay, Ma'am D, could you please share to us what do you really like about Atomy that you
First
are
of
very
all,
proud of?
thank
Go
you,
ahead.
Richard, for
Yeah.
giving me this opportunity. Thank you, Richard, for I think my connection is not good, so I have poor connection. But thank you for giving me this opportunity to talk about Atomy. I'm not that really Atomian as you, but I'm half of you. I like Atomy because first, to make money. Second, I like the products because the product shows and it proves that it works. It's not only the name. And I use a lot of products before I know Atomy. But if I compare with the products is okay, it's cheaper. The products are cheaper and it works. The quality is best and better for the price we pay for it. And why I like Atomy? Because Atomy is a team. I can work with everyone around the world. My team is
Mm-hmm.
from the UK, and I am proud to be an Atomian, and I like the products. I use the products like every day. I cannot live without. The moment I wake up, I brush my teeth with Atomy electric toothbrush, with the toothpaste, and I start with my health, like the probiotics. And the most important product of Atomy I use is the Hemohim.
Mm-hmm.
And I also like the skincare. So we're not leaving the house without the sunscreen. Yes, you like Atomy because I have like a list, but I do like Atomy. I hope I can inspire you to use Atomy products because you will be beautiful from the inside. And when you're happy inside, you're beautiful inside, and you will express yourself beautiful outside too.
Mm-hmm.
I hope this makes sense. Thank you, Richard.
Oh yes, thank you also D for sharing with us your idea and really it inspires us why you like Atomy. So you're a certified Atomians because most of the products you are using are all Atomy, right? So me too. I really love Atomy. No? So I didn't go out the house without using the sunscreen, especially here in Philippines. If this sunny day, wow, you need to put on the sunscreen because it burns your skin here in Philippines. So it's very good to use the Atomy products. Aside from that, as you said, you earn. Also, there is an earnings here. Your expenses will become an income. That's a good idea, right? Thank you, Dee, for sharing with us about your idea, why you like Atomy, and what products do you like. Okay, so maybe I need more some person because we still have more time, and let's have share our idea for to inspire other people. How about Ma'am Kasha? Can
Sorry, Richard.
you? Ah,
Sorry,
yes.
Richard. It's not only about the products, but it's
Uh-huh.
also working with partners because that's the best. What is working with the partners, like
Oh yeah, that's good.
inspiring partners, guiding the partners. Why Atomy is so good. That is also why I like Atomy, not only for the products. And I work with people like around the world. I have people from Indonesia, right? Priyanto is also here. You can say yes. Mylene is from South Africa. Mylene is also here too. We have people from the Netherlands. We have people from UK. We have people from India. So this the reason why I like Atomy. It's not like, okay, it's an MLM and it is just all the products. It's everything. It's the whole package. Atomy is the whole package to like.
Wow, that's great.
So thank you.
Wow, that's good. Right? It's like you can work with other people around the world. You can meet other people because Atomy business is a teamwork. So that's good,
Definitely a
right?
teamwork.
Yeah. Yes,
So
it's teamwork.
let's work hard. Let's become a sales master to start with.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, so brother Ripondas
Yes.
drinking Himo. Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to share, even though I'm new in this group, but my RM, Chingumi, she is here, and also our
She's your sponsor,
yeah,
RM?
she is my sponsor. Also, Beunju, and also Chonjuna is Ijongmi. They are my sponsor. I'm in their line. Actually, I'm not new. I'm very almost 4-5 years. I'm involved with the Atomy in Bangladesh, but we are not yet open. That's why still we don't have any opportunity to earn. But in you'll be very surprised. In my members, two of them are already sales master, auto sales master. So, but I'm not yet approved. Hope Bangladesh, they will open it very soon. And what I want to share, in the 4-5 years ago, I was very much disturbed with the migration problem. And it's like when a migrant problem, not migration, migrant. So I was always had a sneeze, and I have always get the cold. But when Jingumi and other team members, they went to Bangladesh and they gave me this Hemohim. And that time I used toilet, the tissues always beside me, because just after 2-3 minutes I have to wash my nose. But now, because of the Hemohim, I'm really perfect. I'm okay.
Wow, that's good.
And very good. And I want to encourage all of my fellow Atomians in the other country, other parts of the world. Please, when you are tired, when you are down, just drink the Hemohim, and you will be surprised that in Korea they get new Atomy, the new Hemohim. That is Hemohim shad. They call it shad. That's like yeah, that's this glass bottle. Yeah, but that is taste is more tasty. So I recommend, if it's possible, so we can use that. But now I'm in the airport from Korea to Bangladesh in Thailand. So in the middle of my transition, I'm having meeting with you and having Hemohim. Yeah, so it is very good to see the beautiful ladies and the handsome men are here. So hopefully we will have a very good relation and connection to make that to me more known to the everyone. And also, please, I would ask you, pray for Bangladesh so we may open it very fast and we can have some, good news. So we can see you in other countries also. And thank you very much. Richard, I heard about you. I saw your, when you became the SM, I saw your video there.
Okay. Thank
So,
you. Thank you,
so
sir.
you are rich, no problem.
Rich. Because I'm Richard.
Yes.
Thank you, Sir Ripondas, Jangnim.
Yes.
So God bless Bangladesh. It will open soon. Okay, so
Thank you.
that's what Dee said, that we can work all over the world, so with other countries. So because it's teamwork, we can access different nationalities around the world. Wow, that's great. Atomy is good, right? Because you can travel around the world. and connect people from different countries. Wow, that's great.
Yeah.
Thank you. And then one more person, I think I want to ask Kasia, SM Kasia. Would you please share to us what do you like about Atomy that you're really proud of?
Hello. Hello,
Yeah,
everyone. Thank you, Richard,
yes.
for letting me speak and say what I think about Atomy. I think it's very important to know that we can get freedom and we can work wherever we like. And even if you have to move to another country, you can still kind of carry your business with you. And I think we can be very open to different nations, and by registering people from different countries or even different continents, we learn about their culture, we learn about the way they work, and this is very enriching because we look after our team and we look after the people that are so different from us, and we can find out how to help them. What's the maybe situation, like economical situation in their country, and I think this is very special. And that multicultural environment is very precious to me. So this is very, very important, with being able to work online or offline. And this is MLM, so that means everyone can choose their own way. And it's interesting because with MLM, there's no only one way to work. We can do it in a different ways. And maybe someone prefers to work offline or online, or we have so many products, and you can choose just a few products that are best for you, and this is enough. We don't need to we don't need to we don't need to love all of them. I guess most of us like every product that we tried, but we just need to concentrate on a few. If we have 1, 2, or 3 products that we really love, we can start this business, and we can choose if it's going to be maybe more to do with beauty or our health. And this is great because we have a choice. Thank you very much.
Wow, that's great, right? So thank you, Kasia Sales Master, for sharing with us. So wow, it's good, right? Doing Atomy business because you can encounter and meet different culture, okay, people from different countries of the world. And it's good thing here in Atomy because while you are using the product, so we can have an earnings. So as Kasia said, you can start from few products like me. So I started just small products, maybe from toothpaste, toothbrush, and then afterwards, so most of products here in the house that we have are all Atomy products. So also my daughter can prove that because I want to ask her also to share something because she just finished her Sales Master Challenge, I think last Monday. Yeah. So from 16 to 31 of July, so just newly Sales Master. So my daughter Rejem, and I want her to share something. She's here. Sales Master Rejem from Philippines, my daughter. Okay, my daughter Rejem, would you please share to us?
안녕하세요, everyone. So, how are you? So, yeah, so last July of 16 to 31st, I had my sales mastership challenge, and yeah, we made it. We made it to the first round of the of Academy, which is the sales master. So I'm really thankful. First, to the Lord our God because I already made it. And I know it was not an easy journey, but thank you for all the support and guidance from the sponsors and to everyone who helped me. So actually, I'm really proud to be one of to be an Atomians, and one of the thing that I'm proudest of, not only the system of the Atomy, but also the products as well. So right now, actually, I'm doing a medication, and because last time I was diagnosed to have um, gallstone, and actually the doctor advised me to have surgery or operation, but I did not able to do it. And then I currently right now I'm doing medication with the help of Himuhim and Noni. Yeah, I'm using right now Noni and the probiotics as well. I'm using all the products of Atomy, especially right now I'm doing the medication. So yeah, and I'm um testifying right now that I'm getting better by the help of Himuhim and Noni. And I do hope that my um that I will be healed soon. So thank you so much and have a great day.
Okay, thank you. Congratulations.
Mic, Richard.
Yeah, so
You're on
thank
mute,
you for
Richard.
thank you for my daughter that we needed to finish the Sales Master Challenge. And thank you for our Korean sponsors, partners, uh, through their help, and of course our teamwork. As what Dee said, is a teamwork. We're working together as a team, so we become successful. Okay, so keep on using the products. So actually, so as I've said, so I can share to you a little bit that here in our house, we have most of the products here are at home. So we have our like that. So this in our house. We have
I like
Atomy
it. I
product.
like it a lot.
Yeah. So lots of products here. So we are using Atomy products. So thank you so much for uh, the sponsors and all of us. Keep on doing the business, fighting. Aja, aja. So that's all I can share, and thank you for everyone who share tonight. Maybe some of you want to say something, but maybe next time. Thank you, Kasia. Thank you, Dee, and thank you for Ripondas, and also my daughter sharing with us. Maybe if you have some questions, so you can ask. So is there any question? So because we still have time before I give it to the call this to our host. Maybe the host will facilitate about question. So Joey, Demon Master, maybe there is a question. Our partners, maybe German Isayo. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.